MeghalayaPost.news Kawai ka samla na Shillong kabalong ru kanong rai ber kanong tho kon kabalapaw ha ka jila Meghalaya ka samla Ivan Nisha Pathang kabasyong basa hamolai kanton masar kala ang ka jing kyrshan na kabanta kawai ka samla kabadang arpunyos nam karta ka Kunki Chowdhury kabani khun election mentaw snam na Central Guwahati Assam na ka seng jong akhil gogoi ka jingmi shakmat jong ka Kunki Chowdhury kalapan khiwen bha khamtam yo himanta biswa sarma hadu balami ki jingsha kan tho babun jat no himanta biswa sarma persha ya kani ka samla henrei kani ka samla kabalayo jing i bun ba kipat ba kalayang skambet hala kanongrim banyak hun ben na kabanta ka hok kipat ba nakalyang kasamla Ivan Nisha Pathaw kalapha ya jing kyrshan shakani kasamla namar ki kam ki ba kalale kapen kemen ki para samla watla radei na ki wei ki jelaru bat kangej skam ba ki nong thabut jong ka Central Guwahati ru kinthap iaka ban iaka ya nam job bat banwanra ya jing kala na kabanta kalawei kipat ba.
Hi everyone, I am Nisha Pathaw from Shillong, and I'm so happy and proud to see young women like Kunki Chowdhury is stepping forward to contest in the upcoming Assam Assembly elections. And yes, it also gives me immense joy to see such courage, determination and leadership in today's youth. I think this is the right time to make the right choice, and my dear Assamese friends, let's give her a chance to win. Let's vote for her, and I know and I strongly believe she'll bring lots of positive change. She will represent your voice, and most importantly she will work to uplift the community and particularly the state of Assam as a whole. So thank you.
MeghalayaPost.news